Fine, fine. How is your wife that used to be my ex-girlfriend?
I'm Denver. Oh, it's so shame that you cannot shake hands right now, right?
This is honor.
Hey, what's going on now?
Oh, I run a small enterprise.
Oh yeah? What is it?
We just run a small business with our food.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm a FOSS advocate. I'm kind of a techno-babble.
What's FOSS?
It's pretty long. Freedom and
That's pretty long.
We use software, but yeah, we use software. We have lots of problems with software.
For how long have they been waiting for?
Spam, everything.
They're really not keen on anything else.
Can you help us?
You face each other.
You guys be respectful to this kid.
Are you sure?
Yes!
Because I have a budget, but I don't want to spend a lot of money.
I will help you create
The important thing for me is that it works for my
You don't
company.
have to buy any license anymore.
Okay. Oh, really? Okay, so my flight is in 4 minutes. So
4 minutes?
yeah.
Okay, where
So
are you going to?
I'm going back home to Sydney.
Okay, I'm going to Bangalore.
Okay. I'll see you then.
Okay, see you.
I'll give you my number first.
Okay.
See ya.